department has fully equipped labs and are supervised by experienced faculty members. We have a trained technician as well who helps in performing the experiments to the students. So right now I am standing here in the automobile lab. As in the background you can see various working models of all the elements related to automobile. The students are taught about the various elements like 4-stroke and 2-stroke engines, both its working principle, steering systems, fuel systems for both petrol and diesel engines, gearbox, differential, clutch, braking system, chassis, etc. Besides the theoretical knowledge in automobile, students gets the opportunity of hands-on experience working with the engines, transmission systems, differential, braking systems, suspension system, etc. We provide students all the tools that are required, and the students themselves deassemble and reassemble all the components one by one. Let me now show you all what the students does in the automobile lab. The Formula car has been designed and fabricated by our mechanical engineering students. Not only that, but this car which you all are looking at has taken part in the Supra SAE Super Racing event that was held at Budh International Circuit. Likewise, now let me show you all another interesting model that has been designed and fabricated by the students of our department. This go-kart, which is also completely designed and fabricated by a group of 25 students and have took part in the India's biggest go-kart racing event at Budh International Circuit, which is organized by Imperial Society of Innovative Engineers every year. Student also gets an opportunity in working with BMW engine. The engine has been gifted by BMW to our institute. The engine is a twin-power turbo inline 4-cylinder diesel engine, and it has a cubic capacity of 1995 cc. It can produce maximum up to 190 horsepower in just 4000 rpm. This engine has a capacity of acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 7.2 seconds. So here we are right now in thermal engineering lab, and in this lab the student gets a lot of opportunity to study and understand the design and operation of air compressor, gas turbine, refrigeration system, air conditioning systems and internal combustion engines. And the students also gets the knowledge to identify the methods in improving thermodynamic performances of the systems. In this machine shop, we have electrical discharge machine, which is also called as EDM, which is a non-traditional machining process capable of machining electrically conductive material irrespective of hardness of the material. This machine is used for machining hard to cut material and is used for producing complex geometries in the work surface. Our students carry out the research work using this machine. Also, we have a lathe, grinding, milling and drilling machines, which enhances the students to understand the fundamentals of machine tool and machining.
So here we are in thermal engineering lab 2. So this lab is mostly focused on the analysis of the various mode of heat transfer such as conduction, convections and radiation, along with its fundamental laws of heat transfer such as Fourier's law of heat conductions, Newton's law of convections and the Stephen-Boltzmann law. So a student will able to analyze the rate of heat transfer for the various devices where the heat transfer take place, such as the heat exchangers and the fins, and we can also have the insulating walls. So here this is the 3D printer. So this 3D printer is used to print the 3D model of the various mechanical elements such as gears, nut, bolts. So what happened in this 3D printer, initially the soft design of the product is fed into the system and the 3D model will be printed here.
Mechanical engineering department also offers our students to design, build and to innovate new ideas with the newly constructed tinkering lab. Students here are encouraged to apply the knowledge that they have gained in the classroom. Tinkering lab not only helps the students to learn the real life application and importance of the theories they have learned from the books, but will also develop a natural affinity towards science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So right now, here we are in fluid mechanics lab, and in this lab we have an updated state of an art laboratory facility to perform different experiments to validate various basic laws and processes of fluid mechanics like Bernoulli's equations, hydrostatic law, Pascal's law, fluid losses, etc. and to demonstrate different fluid mechanics applications which are based on these laws like pumps, notches, turbines, pitot tube, etc. to name a few.